had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull. I got a new necklace. Glows in the dark. But you can't really see it right now unless you do this.
That's really something. Doesn't Red Bull make you crash pretty hard?
No. I don't think so. No. No. Hey, after we jog, we should get a Red Bull. You could get a Red Bull, and I get a Red Bull. We could share a Red Bull.
Okay, that'd be really fun. That sounds like...
Red
I think
Bull.
I'd really...
Red Bull.
Okay.